Welcome back to CSD Baking. I'm Quinn. Today in the show, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a delicious Mother's Day breakfast. For today's recipe, we're going to make an omelet. So what you'll need for that is a green onion, some mushrooms, some cheese, and some eggs and some milk. Now this is going to make a very large omelet, so you might want to put a few less ingredients if you don't want to eat for days. Alright, now the first thing that you do is you're going to slice your vegetables. Now, put them in your pan and fry them. Set the temperature to about a medium-low heat. In a bowl, put your milk and your eggs, then mix well. After you've fried your vegetables for about 5 minutes, mixing well all the time, transfer them back to your bowl. Once those are mixed in with your eggs, pour it into your pan. I would recommend covering your pan so that the omelet would cook all the way through. Now, let's make some Hollandaise sauce. Take 2 egg yolks, add 1/4 of a lemon juiced, some salt, and some cayenne pepper. Next, put 1/4 of a cup of butter into the microwave. Or, if you don't have a microwave, you can just melt it on the stovetop. Put your melted butter into your mixture. Then mix it either by hand or with this trusty hand blender. Then your Hollandaise sauce is done. Once your omelet starts to harden on the top, put on your cheese and then wait for it to melt. After that, it should be done. Once it has been cooked for a little while and the cheese is fully melted, then cut it up and then put it onto a plate. Then, if you made your Hollandaise sauce, you can sprinkle that on and then serve it with some flowers. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Bake with you next time on CSD Baking.